Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1970 Triumph Spitfire Convertible, Old English white with red interior, black carpets, factory hardtop. It's got this really attractive little racing stripe down the middle. I think when this car grows up, it wants to be an E-type lightweight. But yeah, super good. This car, we purchased it out of state, but it's very well known to our knowledge in the California Triumph Club. But a very well loved Triumph Spitfire in lots of events. Super well sorted out. And I just took this car for a drive. It goes like an absolute bomb. Header, Webers, free flow exhaust. Feels like it's got a cam. Just difficult to keep the engine under 4,000 RPM. Just wants to rev its brains out and rip the rear tires off the car. But it was super, super fun, quick driver, very nicely sorted. Just a straight 4-speed disc-wheeled car. But yeah, really attractive little thing with that factory original Spitfire metal hardtop that's in nicely restored condition. Matches the car well. Cosmetics on the car are pretty nice. Couple little scratches around the hardtop here, but not a big deal. Definitely older paint, so it has kind of that dirty Old English white glow to it, which I really like. Little bit of checking on this fender here all the way through, you can see, but the rest of the hood looks quite good. Chrome's good. But you know, a couple little touch-ups I can see here and there, like on the fender wells, just some knickknacks. But you know, overall, from 5-7 feet, really attractive. You know, you can't really go wrong with white. You know, even if the cosmetics aren't perfect, because a white car always looks good, you know, as you're driving it around, and that's the case here. You know, just a nice, clean-looking white car, refreshing, but definitely correct in this Old English white paintwork with red trim. Let's take a look at this car a little bit closer. Pretty good windshield on the car. I can see it's the original triplex by the logo here. Rubber's pretty good around there. That's not bad. Interior wise, actually it's quite nice. Lovely door panels, really good condition dashboard. It's got a smaller 14-inch wheel, so I'm 6'1". I fit in this car great. I've got plenty of leg room. My head just slips below this factory hardtop, but you know, I'm 6'1", I fit fine. Lovely restored seats, you can see here. So when you take this factory hardtop off, it's removable. You've got a red matching cloth soft top there that looks like it's brand new. It's hardly been used. So really nice carpet set. What I also like is this little array of aftermarket gauges. You know, the factory just gives you idiot lights, but you've got temp, voltage gauge, and oil pressure, and they all register beautifully when I'm out thrashing the car around the streets here. So let's take a look in the trunk. Really lovely red top boot there, all nicely upholstered. There's a car cover. There's all the correct trunk board and wheel well cover, jack and tire changing equipment. But yeah, really attractive little racing stripe all the way down the car there. You can see they brought it all the way to the hood. So super little fun, attractive driver that's probably had a lot of love put into it during its life. Passenger door panel there. There's another look at that racy cockpit. Super fun. Like I said, just you can watch me just whip it around the streets. Very safe, fun, tight driving. You know, great little handling car. So under here, we are looking at, it looks like a rebuilt engine to me, all beautifully painted correctly, new starter, new generator, new downdraft Weber with manifold, brakes look fresh, suspension looks all nice and tidy. So pretty nice, impressive engine compartment. Around here we're seeing a full flow exhaust system, and that's coupled to a like a free flow Monza setup. So you've got that K&N air filter. Weber really goes well. So brand new radiator, coil, everything looks fresh, like it's been attended to. Nice unhit nose, no Bondo whatsoever up front there. They painted the back of the hood Old English white, which is nice. But yeah, super little fun car to get in and just terrorize the streets with. Yeah, so it's still it's a 70, which means it still has the pretty bodywork. So 1970 Triumph Spitfire. It's got the raised front bumper, pretty good gaps, but it still has the real pretty round tail light rear end, which is great. But yeah, lovely little thing. Great fun, well sorted, dialed in. Great value for the money, and lots of fun with this one. And there it is. This is our super fun 1970 Triumph Spitfire Convertible. I believe it's a Mark 4 or 3, I can't remember, but I'll post it in the ad. Old English white with a red racing stripe, factory metal hardtop, red interior, red cloth soft top, 4-speed, disc wheels, super well sorted out driver, and it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.